Hello YouTube family, how are you? I hope you are fine from wherever you're watching from. The reason I'm returning back to Africa is just one reason, actually two, is because I feel I left my soul and spirit back home. And the second reason is each time I speak to my daughters, my children, jokingly, they say, no, when you grow old, we are going to take you into a home. And you know what? That has been working on my mind. I said, there's no way, Jose, I'm going to end up in a care home in the UK. So in 2013, I devised a plan. I said, you know what? It's better I buy myself a piece of place, land. And some of you have been watching the video. That's the place I bought in 2013 because I knew, and I knew for sure that my children were not joking. They meant what they said, to send me into a home when I grow old, because they've grown up here, they've picked up the lifestyle of this place, and they really mean what they say. So I put it upon myself to say what? To say I'm going to build back home and I'm going to relocate while I'm still strong. I'm only 58, so I got still more energy in me and I'm in my prime. So you know what? Soon you will be getting videos from the homestead that I've been building back home in Africa, Zambia. So that is the reason I'm returning back home to Africa. I was threatened to be put in a home. I don't know about you. Maybe you left your country of origin many years ago. Or maybe you haven't invested back home in your country for your retirement. I want to encourage you, my brother, my sister, it's never too late. They say Rome was not built in a day. So you can make it. You can buy a home back home. You buy land wherever you are from, Africa or whichever country you're from. You can build yourself a nice place for you to gracefully retire amongst your people, the people that you can relate with, really, than being put in a home. So I'm escaping back home to Africa. I'm running away from this place. I don't want to end up in a home. I know what goes on in those homes. It's really, really not good. So if you relate to this, what I'm saying, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll be glad to hear from you and I will respond to you personally, and that's a promise. So I wish you all the best in your endeavors concerning relocating and, creating a retirement place for you back home, wherever you come from in Africa or anywhere in the world. So God bless you and thank you for watching. It's adios amigos and I will see you in the next video. God bless you.